Hey guys, today I want to show you how to use your PS4 on your computer. Whether you have a computer, a desktop computer, a laptop, but you want to play on it, I want to show you how to play your PS4, connect your PS4 to your computer and play on computer. Why? Because sometimes you go on vacation and you have a PS4, you like playing PS4 games, but you are away, you cannot play. If you have a controller, the cable, you can play on the computer. Let me show you how you do that. First, you go on Google, say Google help me, and you search for PlayStation Share Play. PlayStation 4 Share Play. I click in here and you can take Share Play, share game with friend, PlayStation. I click on it. And when I click on it here, when you get it to here, because I already did it, I can see here that I have messages that I have made, because it will give you option to sign in. Let me see in action. I don't need this. Okay. It give you an option to sign in, and you sign in wherever it is. Let me see if I can. Okay, let me sign out so I can show you. That's how it looks like when you first get in. I'm gonna show you again. I turn on, close the browser. I go on Google. I search for PlayStation 4 Share Play. And I click on Share PlayStation, whichever come first. And here's the browser show you game, hardware, thing like that. And it give you option to sign in. Here, I go and I sign in. I sign in here. Alright, I sign in. Okay, once I sign in, now I can show you your PlayStation. Yeah, it show you message. Say sign in. Come on, sign in. Sign in. Most of the time when you are searching for something, it's signing out. Okay, now it show you profile, other games, PS4. Okay. This is show you a lot of things. Next, what you want to do, you go on Google again and you search for PS4 control remote play. PS4 remote play. And when you find PS4 remote play, you click on it right here. PS4 remote play. Now, if you have a Windows computer, you click on this. If you have a Mac, you click on the Mac. I have, and down here give you some more explanation that you don't need, but because I have a Mac, I click on Mac user and it take you down here, and I click on Mac and it download it down here. If you can see it, it says remote playing, download here, and you click on it, you install it. So you agree to everything, you continue, and you say install. When you say install, you're gonna give you the PS4 controller game. Now, for the Mac users, if you don't see it, if you don't see the PS4 controller on the screen, you go search for it. You can just go here. You say PS4 remote play, and you just click on it, and it will give you the PS4 remote play down here. And when it give you the PS4 remote play, now what you need your controller and the cable. First, you can go and open preferences down here, and this is for the resolution. You click on resolution. I always take 1080. So and say okay. I think if you want to use the keyboard of the computer, you click on this to use the keyboard, and you click on that, and you say sign in. It will ask you to sign in here. You sign in because I already signed in before. I signed in before, so it should sign in. And once I finish with this screen, I close this browser, and I still have this one. Now you have this. It shows you how to connect down here. The first thing you do, you don't plug this first. You plug the USB on your computer. I still have the controller. I'm gonna show you. You plug the USB on the computer. Once you finish with the USB on the computer, now what you do, you press the PS4 here to open, like you turn on the PS4. Bang. Alright, you see? You can see the signal here. It shows that the PS4 is on. And now you use your cable, you put it. Once you put it, everything is plugged in. You go on the computer and it shows you and click start. So when you click start, it starts searching, and bang! You are on your PS4. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. See? Look at that. What? Let's see if you want to play a game. Paris Saint-Germain. And Paris Saint-Germain. Boom. No. Yeah. You can. I'm gonna show you. You can take the full screen here. Take the full screen. Take Paris Saint-Germain, and you take a Arsenal. Okay. And you say you can check setting. You check everything for a minute, and you take play. Now I want to tell you, if your internet is not very good, you may be in trouble. It may stop, thing like that. But if your internet is good, you can play. Look at this on my computer. Eh? Goal! Hey! Go! Oh yeah! Now let's see if we can play. You can take the full screen.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Parc des Princes here in Paris. I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith is with me. The game has all the elements really to excite us.
Trying to put this all the way here.
PSG against Arsenal. Yeah, Bill Buzzer earned this ground. Full house. A lot of interest in it. Hope it doesn't disappoint.
Okay. Now you can see. While playing here, if your TV is on, you will see it play on your TV too. Alright, let's go. Let's go, people.
Yeah, for so long, the sleeping giant, really, but now beginning to punch its weight, finally. Anticipated the direction of the bus and was able to intervene.
Alright, so you see we can play. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'm gonna post a lot of videos for you, some tips. Thank you.